안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
So these are my new level 1 students from Jago Nabidul. So congratulations, you passed the multiplication test. So I have here Zahara, Rose, and Rayalyn. Introduce yourself.
안녕하세요. 저는 7살 초등학교 2학년 자하라입니다. 안녕하세요. 저는 6살 초등학교 2학년 로스입니다. 안녕하세요. 저는 7살 초등학교 2학년 베냐린입니다.
Rayalyn Imida. Okay. So I will gonna give you your new uniform. So you will gonna use this every monthly donation only. Yeah, take care of your uniform. Yeah, always place it in a hanger. Okay. So please receive Zahara, Rose, and Rayalyn. And that is from Sikit mo. And that is from Chesung Inim.
Sisa unin tansan
Chesung Inim.
Sisong unin
Onim.
tansamida.
Chesung Inim.
Sisong unin tansamida.
Chesung Inim Kasamnida for our new uniform. Okay, there you go. So you will gonna pair your uniform with a pants. No skirt, no shirt. No short, okay? So always wear it with pairing a pants. Okay, and that is from Chesung Inim.
Sisa unin tansamida.
Chesung Inim.
Sisong unin tansamida.
Chesung Inim Kamsamnida for their new uniform.